The order for it is for against Biafra. It's against Biafra. And if they ordered and the thing haven't entered before the declaration of Biafra, when they order it, they make sure they pay the money in time so that if Biafra is going, the money to pay for that equipment will not come from Nigerian pocket, it will come from Biafra pocket because they are using Biafra resources to pay. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But all they are doing, they are preparing for Biafra. Whether the equipment have landed or it will land. If they have not landed, they will make sure they make it to land before December 2nd. Like now in Imo State, young men from age of 14, boys from age of 14 are missing now in Olo Senatorial Zone, in Osun area, Olo area, Osun area, local government. Nigeria procuring 24 fighter jets and 10 helicopters. There's no crime in it. Every nation have to build their defense. But this one Nigeria is building now. Since the creation of Nigeria from 1960 or from 1914, Nigeria haven't procured air defense or air equipment like they did now. In the history, Nigeria never bought 24 war jets and 10 helicopters at a time.
Why do you think so?
Go and check the records. But why are they buying it now?
So what are you insinuating? You feel that they have an agenda?
Whom are they preparing war for? Which external aggression they want go? Okay, it remains a naval ship. They should go and buy a space carrier. They should go order it from America because America get the biggest now. They should go and buy submarine. They should go and buy it. They have seen that December is at hand. And the way the Biafrans are moving, if they did not equip themselves well, they cannot overcome Biafra. And they have seen that on the ground, Biafrans are masters of the ground. As Japanese, we are masters of the jungle through the Second World War. Biafrans are masters of the ground. Now they have seen that if they can be able to seize air and use air to destabilize the men on the ground so that they cannot be able to hold feet to resist their army of occupation on the ground. This is why they go. You know? So when I heard it, as you said it, I laugh. So which time Nigeria have come to purchase this type of air power? 24 war jet at a time, 10 helicopter at a time. They are trying to show you, to show Biafrans, to show the whole world that they mean business to slaughter. They mean business to destroy. They mean business to kill. They mean business to take over Biafran land, whether IDP camp or no IDP camp. But I am telling you, the money they use, whether they buy it high purchase, whether they bought it credit, whether they buy it cash at hand, pay and carry, all of them came from the mineral resources that came from Biafra. As far as oil and gas is still existing in Biafra land, multiplying every day, it doesn't decrease, rather it's increasing. It will be very difficult for Nigeria to leave Biafra go. Let me tell you properly. It will be very difficult for Nigeria to leave Biafra to go because all the whole emirs has oil well in Biafra land. And if Biafra go with the oil well, where will the emirs have that oil well again? All the whole ex-presidents, retired army general and current, have oil share in oil. And if Biafra take their oil go, where will they have share that share again? They have oil wells. Most of them have refinery abroad. And they will come here and take crude oil allocated to NNPC. They will divert it and go to the crude abroad and refine it and return it back again to Nigeria and say they are importing oil. Oil subsidy have removed. And secretly, they are creating the oil subsidy. That's why you see them increasing the petroleum products, increasing it because they own the oil, they own the importation. They will increase it and to get more, make more profit. And they will purchase, they use Biafra money to purchase arms against Biafra. This is what they did in First War. They want to sign Biafra land to Cameroon, sign oil to Britain. All of them support Nigeria. Even Nigeria bought arms from Britain, high purchase. It was after the war that Nigeria paying. And after the war, they laid pipe from here to Britain. Britain were exporting our Biafran oil for free. And this is the plan going on now. Now they are laying pipe from Imo State. Oil gas from Imo State to north, from north to Niger, from Niger to Mauritania, from Mauritania to Morocco, from Morocco to Spain, to supply oil to Europe. Supplying, gas to Europe, because the face off of Russia and Ukraine plus NATO and America is affecting Europe in gas and oil. So they want to use gas and oil of Biafra in the name of Nigeria to substitute the one that is they are using from Russia. And moreover, in case if Europe, mostly Western Europe, European Union, fall apart completely with Russia, they may not have the oil and gas again from Russia. So they want to take from the one from Biafra in the name of Nigeria. That's why they laid the pipeline. Consult nobody in that territory. This is what they're using Zodima, because now this old geographical map, this geographical map now of all the Imo state of Nigeria have much oil and gas, much gas deposit. One of the areas that has much gas deposit in the world. So they want to tap it there. From the one from Creek, they want to tap everything there. This is why, if you are talking of Biafra, United Nations and other countries just keep their eye closed, as if nothing is happening. This is why they say marginalization. They are not talking of Biafra want to go. Even in United Nations, they're not talking of. They're talking riot in the Nigeria, or marginalization. This one, hunger, this that. But they don't want to talk the reality, what is happening, because they depend on the oil and gas. This is why whatever Nigeria do, they go free. The United Nations will not come against them. This is why the killing and everything in Biafra land, the United Nations keep short. Come on, but they keep short. Because they know, they feel that they can get what they want in the name of Nigeria than in the name of Biafra. They will get that oil and gas in the name of Nigeria than in the name of Biafra. That's why they support inventors, Fulanis, to come and invent us. They come and invent the Biafra. Using this Odinma as a tool. Do you see? Because of this oil and gas, any country in Europe now, or the country in the world that lack oil and gas, and they are very strong in arms production. If Nigeria go to tell them, give me arms, they will give Nigeria. Nigeria will sign to them after the war. If we subdue these people, if we wipe them off and Fulani take their land, we give you gas for free. Then those people will give them arms. All these 24 war jet and helicopter, 10 helicopters they bought, or they're going to buy. I don't know whether they have bought it already, but they're going to buy. They already bought it already. It's for the order for it is for against Biafra. It's against Biafra. And if they ordered and the thing haven't entered before the declaration of Biafra, when they order it, they make sure they pay the money in time, so that if Biafra is going, the money to pay for that equipment will not come from Nigerian pocket, it will come from Biafra pocket, because they are using Biafra resources to pay. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But all they are doing, they are preparing for Biafra. Whether the equipment have landed or it will land. If they have not landed, they will make sure they make it to land before December 2nd. Like now in Imo State, young men from age of 14, boys from age of 14 are missing now in almost notorious zone. in Osun area, Olong area, Osun area, local government. Ebubagu and Nigerian army will take night, dead night, to go and be breaking people door, kidnapping, taking young boys, and as soon as they take them, you will not see them again. They will go on journey of no returning. Because this morning, I heard somebody call me, say, see what is going on. People call him from village in that area. Don't try to return home by this time. Any young man on the road by this time should go back. If you return, that's the end. In that area, in that almost territorial zone. If you return, it's only God the Almighty will deliver you. Since the bombing of IDP camp in Imo State and the fighting army in Mbeno, Isogima all that. I don't see why Isogima want to destroy Imo State. I don't see why. You want to destroy Imo State. What shall it benefit a man to gain the whole world and lose his own soul? Or what shall a man give in exchange for his own soul? What shall it benefit Isogima? That only him and his family will live and relocate to any part of the world they like after he has slaughtered his people. That place is going. Will he become an indigenous of that place? Okay, maybe in children will start to become a citizen over there and we forget anything about Igbo land, even though his family may forget it. This is why Isogima is committing all this crime. So Nigerian government buying that equipment in this hour, in this time, it's not for fun. It's not a decoration for their armory base. It's not a decoration. It's for to use and use against people and use against Biafra. Tell me which election are in loggerhead with Nigeria that Nigeria are preparing to face those people than the people he call his own citizens. The people is that claiming that they are one Nigeria to slaughter them again for the second time. But this time around, God will deliver us. You know their fear because they saw in Twitter or had where someone said Biafra should reactivate their air defense. And it seemed that someone knew that they will go and purchase air power that made him to say Biafra should reactivate their air defense in case of any eventuality in the air. Do you see? Sometimes, all those people that are blind spiritually, those people that are blind physically, when someone Ekpa talk, they call him a perima. They give him all sort of name. See what someone Ekpa says. See what is happening now. Who is a perima? Is this someone Ekpa or those blind people who cannot see both spiritually and physically? If someone is a perima or whatever name they call him, will he be able to visualize, to know what will happen, and say Biafrans should activate their air defense to defend against this 24 war jet and the 10 helicopter that Nigeria purchasing? Do you see a man who is spiritually blessed, who have spiritual discernment?
Did he ever say that he knows that Nigeria will get 24 fighter jet?
No, he did not say so. He did not say so. But
it's from his action, Abi.
From his action, it seems that he knows. From his action, from the order he gives, reactivate the air defense, as if he knows that Nigeria will acquire such type of air power. Have you seen it?
But do you think the Biafrans now are capable of defeating Nigeria with this set of new aircraft they just got?
Oh well, time will tell whether Biafra will be able to stand or not. If they told Nigeria that Biafra can be able to stand for almost 4 years, 3 years plus, if Biafra can be able to stand, when they are not prepared to fight, you just push them. Biafra declaration was unexpected, was a premature child. But now, even from 2021, they hold nnamdikanu. I mean, Yes, they hold Nnamdikanu. It's enough. If it's a nation that have already stand already as an independent, it's enough for them to prepare for war. But I'm not calling for war. You see? So, from the time of preparation, or we are talking of different agitation under IPOB, we may know that even if at all Nigeria purchase F-16, take it to feed the whole desert, by God's grace, God will send his angel to burn them in the air. They will say it's Biafran artillery, Biafran air defense. It's the angels of God setting them on fire in the air. If we are not able to defend ourselves, our God will defend us. Jehovah Chukwu Pike Abiyama Bini will defend his children. You understand? So time will tell whether Biafra can be able to defend their airspace or not. But I pray that this what they are purchasing, let it be in Nigerian pockets, not to use against Biafra. That's what I'm praying for. Because no matter what happened, look at Ukraine. Russia hold upper hand in the war between Russia and Ukraine. But still, Russia is losing. Ukraine is losing. At the end, Russia may win the war, but still, Russia have the impact on them. Therefore, there's not any good thing come from barrel of gun than destruction. Okay, in the first war, Biafran war, Nigeria won. Let us put it, forget about no victor, no vanquish. The one and British, including Zeke, tend to deceive themselves. That no victor, no vanquish. Biafra laid down the arms and returned back to Nigeria. That's part of victor, that's part of vanquish. But remember, only in one day, in a battle of 3 hours, Nigeria lost 18,000 troops in Abagana sector. 18,000 in 3 hours battle. Lost so many equipments. Lost equipments that if Biafra get that equipments, they will surely win Nigeria. Equipment that Nigeria lost it's terrible. Lost out of 20,000. Muritala want to take to enter Abagana. In 3 hours battle, Muritala lose 18,000 and managed to take 2,000 to enter Abagana because Biafra don't have any bullet to shoot again. Biafra shoot, there's no bullet in their magazine again. So that 2,000 is scared. Had even Biafra have enough bullets, they could have finished the remaining 2,000, even capture Muritala alive. You understand? I think it was in that Abagana that Muritala lost one of his legs. You see? So this time around, I don't think that it can be like that. But whatever that happened, there's no good thing that comes from the barrels of gun. So both Biafra and Nigeria should take conscious and settle things amicably. Let everybody separate amicably than to destruction. But I am telling you, whether you like it or not, as far as oil and gas is still existing in Nigeria, in Biafra owns it. It will very be difficult. If every nation agree for Biafra to go, Britain will not agree because of the oil and gas. Britain will never agree. They were surely working underground to stop Biafra because of oil and gas. Look at nnamdikanu, the citizens they hold. What is Britain doing? Nothing. To show you that Britain may not allow Biafra to go.
The North is pretending over reality. And because of the pretense of the northern part of the country, that is the reason why the Biafra restoration is taking place. You can't tell me you're a northerner and you are the one who decide what happened in Nigeria. You control the Senate with fake numbers and fake constituencies. The Biafran flag is flying, the spirit is flowing, everywhere is positive. I told you that one day Nigerians will become Biafra. Nigerians, I think it was on this channel I said it, that one day Nigerians themselves will become Biafra. The signal that is coming from the antenna from the satellite is telling you we should start preparing for the day is what coming, and the day is coming. What does that mean? It's trying to tell you that the D-Day is coming. What does it mean? When you look at the cloud, the atmosphere, you foresee, it's going to be sunny today, it's going to be rainy today. You were able to project or to say or to forecast that this is likely what is going to happen, and this is like what is going to happen. The North is pretending over reality, and because of the pretense of the northern part of the country, that is the reason why the Biafra restoration is taking place. The North refuse to realize the truth. The political North refuse to understand that what it takes to be a Nigerian does not end in the northern part of the country. Everybody is involved. You can't tell me you're a northerner and you're the one who decide what happened in Nigeria. You control the Senate with fake numbers and fake constituencies. And you think other people are fools. Well, if they have realized that, thank God, they said they will not allow regionalism. Well, it will have been a stepping stone to push further. They will not allow restructuring. It will have been a stepping stone to push further. But now, after all said and done, they came out and said, it is high time we share this common truth. And what is the common truth? Nigeria cannot survive the Biafran agitation. I repeat, Nigeria will not survive Biafran agitation. I should repeat, Nigeria will not survive Biafran agitation.
Why do you say so?
It has come to be. It took them time. There were so many options that was laid on the table. Please let me remind you, you do not push a man unnecessarily to the wall and expect the man to bow his head. It's shame. No matter how stupid that man is, one day, a day will come where his head will rise. They have pushed Igbo to a particular, the option of national negotiation and unity was supposed to take place in 2023 presidential election. But unfortunately, the Yoruba man became a problem by coming out to steal, cunningly take what belongs to Igbo man, and they are looking at that Igbo men should come out and put up a fight. No, cool down. They are watching. Have Yorubas never failed? Has Tinubu government not failed woefully? Has it not become an embarrassment to the whole world? But let me tell you, I said it severally, anybody that is carrying injustice must face injustice. What they are doing to nnamdikanu is injustice. The consequences of that, what they are doing to nnamdikanu, is breakup. So some elites from the north who are learned, who are well civilized, who are educated, who are open-minded, who are truthful, who are sincere, has come out to tell them that prepare, balkanization is coming. How is it going to come? They already foresaw it. The present generation of the victims of 1976, the children of the oppressed, has risen and are asking questions. Nigeria could not even provide the answer, even when there was dialogue. They could not still come and say, come, like what God said, come, let us reason together. They could not even say it. They were pretending. Everybody was just pretending because the crude oil, the resources, the North is not contributing anything. The North has 419 local governments. The South have 375 local governments. The Northwest, the Northeast, the North Central, all of them are in the Senate. They do not contribute 0.0% in the national resource income of this country. In the revenue of this country, they don't contribute anything. Still, they take 58% of national income. Bros, who takes that? The Yorubas are the ones causing this problem. They are the ones taking the shit. They are the ones neutralizing their political structure in the Southwest. They are the ones the Northerners are using to destroy the concept that bound the Northern and Southern Protectorate under Lord Lugard. We must understand that is the truth. Today they came out and said they are going to in London to tender a document. They want their own separate nation. Are you not seeing the twist in it? No, read the twist in it. Maybe you understand the consequences of that transformation is not what they are actually pushing for. The North is prepared. They have enjoyed crude oil wealth, built their roads, developed the North, did all manner of things, transferred the whole wealth to the north and the southwest. There is no federal government infrastructure. The Igbos are struggling in hunger. The Igbos are struggling to survive. The Igbos have been struggling immediately after the war with just 20 pounds. No Igbo presidency, no Igbo chief of staff, no Igbo anything. Don't give them a support. God, have you seen that kind of wickedness anywhere in the world? Then they are prepared now, and they are calling the consequences, and they are calling the shot. They are saying to hell. Abi, very clearly, they are not hiding it. Even your child that you have in your house, you don't beat your child anyhow, he will react. The Northerners are reacting to corrupt activities and consequences of Nigerian leadership. That's why they told you that Nigeria is about to do what? Break up. How do you break up? Because somebody has risen. Somebody has alerted the world. Let me use this opportunity to talk to Antonio Guterres himself, the Secretary General of the United Nations. I pray that you understand very clearly on the need for us to move from where we are now to another point. And what to the another point is to embrace civility, is to embrace humanity, is to create another atmosphere where the world will understand the need of globalization, the need for peace, the need for sustainability, the need to avoid conflict, the need to attend to conflict resolutions. But these are the things that the reason why the United Nations was established. Antonio Guterres, you are quiet. A British citizen, nnamdikanu, is there. The UN is not saying anything. Human rights abuse everywhere. The Igbos are being killed by Nigerian military in the east. The United Nations is not saying anything.